Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming access and workspace settings so nothing blocks collaboration. Once done, create a new board and choose the view that matches your workflow list for tasks, timeline for schedules. Next, add core columns, status to track progress, date for deadlines, people to assign owners, and priority to surface urgent items. Make sure to name the board clearly and invite teammates now so permissions are ready when tasks are added. Once the board exists, configure automations to reduce manual work, add a status change trigger, and a due date reminder to start. Then create and save views with filters, groups, and sorts. This gives product, design, and ops the exact lens they need. Integrate third-party apps like Slack or Google Drive selectively, and map which folder or channel connects to which board. Make sure to test automations with a sample task so you catch logic errors early. You finish by operationalizing the board. Run a weekly review to update statuses, archive completed items, and reassign priorities so nothing stagnates. Share dashboard snapshots for stakeholder check-ins and use filters to produce focused reports. If you hit a snag, first check member permissions, then inspect automation logs for failed runs and verify column types match expected data. Finally, replicate the issue with a test item.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.